So we worked on lateral braking in our frontal plane. So now we're going to work on some stuff in our sagittal plane, so our front to forward plane, front to backwards plane. So a lot of times we see athletes when they sprint, either they don't know how to brake down, or I guess it depends on where we're going. You know, if we're just stopping, that's one entire brake, versus stopping and going at an angle, then that's another different type of brake. We'll work on those later, but right now we're going to do the very basic moving forward plant. So I call these one step forward, just brakes essentially. So we're going to be in an athletic stance, and we're just going to step and control our momentum right down on the ground. Step. Now a couple things you want to look at is you want to make sure that their knee just doesn't fall to the ground. We want to make sure that we're able to put the brakes on. So what I mean by that is really watch the athlete's waistline. Watch how gravity pulls them down versus them turning their brakes on. If I have an athlete that sits there, takes a step forward, and they just fall down to the ground. What was that? Yeah, they can come in. They can come hang out over here. Yeah. Sorry about that. So if I have an athlete and they just fall to the ground right here, boom, instead of actually putting those brakes on, you can see them put force into the ground. That is something we want to avoid right there. So just one forward step. It can be nice and simple at first. Let's just work on each step, and then the more we progress, have them step faster, have them step harder, and then force them to put their brakes on more. Those are one step forward braking.